If you want to remove the weather widget from the Opera browser, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to turn it off in just a few simple steps. This is helpful if you want a cleaner start page, less clutter, or you simply don't use the weather panel and want it gone from your dashboard. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open a new tab in Opera so you can see your main start page dashboard. This is where Opera shows its default widgets and shortcuts, including things like speed dial, news, and weather. Once you're on that page, look to the very top right corner of the browser window. You'll see the Easy Setup icon, which looks like 3 horizontal sliders. Click that Easy Setup icon to open the settings panel. This panel gives you quick access to the most common Opera Start page options without having to dig through the full browser settings menu. After the panel opens, scroll down slowly until you reach the section labeled Start Page. This is where Opera keeps the controls for elements that appear on your home screen. Now look for the option labeled Show Weather or simply Weather, depending on your version of Opera. This setting controls whether the weather widget appears on your start page. Once you find it, click the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. As soon as you disable it, the weather widget should disappear from your Opera dashboard. If you don't see the change right away, open a new tab or refresh the start page just to make sure the setting has updated. In most cases, the widget will be removed instantly, giving you a much cleaner browsing experience. And that's it. You've successfully removed the weather widget from the Opera browser. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look, and now your start page should feel a lot more minimal and organized. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy browser tips and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.